This is Journey to Novelist, and I am used to going to camp in my summer. That is Camp NaNoWriMo, which of course doesn't exist anymore because NaNoWriMo doesn't exist anymore. So my poor little tent here is unnecessary, and bye-bye little tent. But I do want to do something in the summer. It gets too hot here to do a lot of outdoor activities, so I like to focus on my writing during that time. So I have set up on trackbear, which is trackbear.app, I believe, and they have a free site where you can set up leaderboards and do challenges, and that's what I've done. The code at the bottom of the screen will get you into a leaderboard for what I'm calling the July Word Splash Challenge here for 2025. If it goes well, then we'll do one for 2026 as well. But this is going to be a zero drafting challenge, and what we're going to try to do is get in 20 hours of writing, create 20 scenes, and 20,000 words. Now, if you are a nonfiction book writer, then the scenes can be replaced with topics or chapters or parts of the book, however you want to define scene for your nonfiction book. But we're going to try to do the 20-20-20 kind of challenge here. This is a zero draft, so you're going to try to be getting a complete outline of the main points of your story in these 20 scenes. You can of course have more scenes, and you can of course have more words, but this is the minimum that you should get to declare yourself a winner of the challenge. So we'll keep track on the TrackBear app, and anybody can join. And even if you're just new to writing, which this channel is devoted to those of us that are newer or pursuing and have never actually published, but even if you are published, then feel free to go ahead and join us. Leave notes in the comments if you have any ideas for what else we should do. Like I said, this is going to be a July challenge, so it will run from July 1st to the end of July. And this particular video will only be posted until July, and then it will go away, because I'm not going to leave the code out there forever. It's only going to be till July 1st. And then if you know somebody after that point that wants to participate, then you can give them the code and they can join late. So that is it. We're going to try to do this. I will try to maybe do some live word sprints, or we can find some other people to join in on their live word sprints as maybe a group, or we'll just post a list of those that are available and kind of make it fun for all of us. If you have any ideas, or you want to host a live sprint challenge on your own channel or your own page or something, then just let us know. The comments are open, and so is the leaderboard. If you want to stay up to date on this, like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates when they come around. And please join us for the challenge in July.